Hey guys, a very good morning from Hyderabad. This is Dharmesh. Welcome back to my channel. So this is Yezdi Adventure. I just came to the Yezdi showroom here in Hyderabad, and the bike looks dope as usual, right? And I think this is a very stiff competition to the Himalayan, to be really frank. And I'm here to test drive this. So this will be a really small test drive review. It will not be a comprehensive detail. I'll probably do that when I get hands-on for this at a few kilometers or so. Right, for now it's just a small test drive review that I want to make sure at least whether this is worth purchasing or not. So this Adventure looks exactly like the Himalayan. I don't think there is any difference of whatsoever between Himalayan and this. At least in the term of looks, you can find this and all. So if you have seen my roadster test drive review, even I have said the same thing in that the quality of these bikes don't look that great. The finishing is not that great. If you see here, right, all the edges are still welded, you can see them, and even the foot pegs have been welded. Like, it looks like everything is an afterthought, right? It has not come to the phases of a design and then manufacturing. All it looks like everything was done as an afterthought. So talking about the Adventure, I think you can definitely feel the weight of this bike, but it is far better than the Roadster. I think the comfort level is really good, but for some reason I feel that the gear lever is a little long for my liking, right? From the foot peg to the gear lever, it is a little long, and I think that is something is problematic for people with shorter legs, you know. So that is one thing. But overall, this bike is very comfortable. I think the foot pegs is good. There's a bigger front tire, smaller rear tire. The suspension is really very great. So I had a rough patch of road over there. I think we can just go back over there. So both of these bikes make around 29 to 30 PS of power and torque, and it is more than that of the Himalayan for sure. And I think this windscreen would do a decent job, but still I think it is a little small for people going on long drives, and triple digit speeds on this would be exact, you know. So I don't think even this would go around 120 or something. It would hardly go 100, and then it'll lose out. You'll have vibrations. So vibrations on this, I don't see any vibrations anywhere till I rev it till the red line probably. But again, this red line is also not too high. But I can still feel that the bike is on the move, correct? So a little bit of hint of that on the handlebar, but no vibes on the foot pegs. So if you want to take a Himalayan or this, probably it's upon you on what you want to buy, because both of these vehicles are from the same look same, have the same ergonomics, correct? So it should not be of much problem for you guys to decide on what to buy. Okay, so let's have a look at the bike from afar. So this is the bike, the Yezdi Adventure. So it looks exactly like the Himalayan. The foot pegs are placed right. They have the spoke wheels, right? And the power is good enough, right? It looks good. It has a great set of accessories. So compared to the Himalayan, I think this has a great set of accessories that you can plug it in and you can go on the move. But the bike looks a little basic to me, at least in the term of finishing. You can see it looks so dull. It doesn't look that inspiring on the road. Driving, it is okay. I think it is decent in the driving. It has got spoke wheels. It is still decent, and the trip meter is also all right. So I think these are all, they all look like afterthoughts, you know. Even this comes with a Bluetooth. So let me accelerate a little here. And this being a test drive bike, it is only clocked around 500 kilometers, and I can feel the difference that it has some parts that are shaking, like probably someone must have ridden it rough just for 500 kilometers. So I think that talks a lot about the quality. But anyways, come take a test drive. I think for this price, this is still a decent bike. The initial torque is great. So that was about the Adventure, guys. Hope you guys liked my video. If you do like it, please share, like and subscribe. This is Dharmesh signing off. Bye bye.